Hi, thanks so much for joining us for our next Get to Know Our Bankers series. Today, you have the opportunity to hear from 5 employees who have been here for over 25 years. Their work ethic, personalities, and experience that they bring have truly made the bank what it is today. In fact, collectively, their years of experience exceed the number of years that the bank has existed. We love getting to know them, and we hope that you do as well.
I've been with Lake Central Bank since 1986. Started out at our branch office in Clearwater as a part-time teller, and I was the one that was to fill in for everyone's vacation. I then had the opportunity to work full-time at the main office in Annandale. So being at the branch office for approximately 3 years, moved to the main office where I was to be the receptionist, open accounts, grant people access into their safe deposit box, and do file maintenance. I have since moved out of that receptionist area, but I've worked in customer service ever since, and I am still doing file maintenance.
Well, I've been at the bank for 38 years now, and I started out as a teller. Then I moved to, I went to the receptionist desk. Then I started doing mortgages, and then I went to be Dwayne's assistant. Then I was Brian's assistant, and now I'm in loan processing and helping out Brian a little bit.
I have been with the bank 29 years this year, so next year will be my 30th year. I've always been in bookkeeping operations, but I've learned many different things in many different areas.
I've been with the bank 35 years this year, worked in many different roles, with the latest being in operations and internal audit.
I've been with the bank for 38 years in various roles, and I've started out as a teller, went into the new accounts, went into the loan processing in the insurance department for many years, and now I'm the receptionist at the front desk.
Hands down, technology. The ease the customers have now with internet banking, ATMs, etc.
Employee attire has greatly changed. We started out wearing suits, ties, skirts, business slacks. We've become a more business casual atmosphere, which I have to say I do appreciate.
I remember numbers really well. We were in a meeting recently and, what's the phone number to this place? I couldn't remember it at that time, but 30 seconds later I wrote it down and handed it to the person that had asked.
I do enjoy motorcycling. It is a sense of freedom, being out, as they say, in the open road, and I also do enjoy going to the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally.
I love to dress up in costumes for holidays, any type of event.
Everyone here has treated me like family, from Dwayne to Brian. I feel like Dwayne was my dad at some point, and I've just gotten along, and I've appreciated everyone here.
And it's been a wonderful place to work. The people, employees, co-workers are awesome.
The customers and the employees, it feels like family. My most memorable moment was the first summer picnic that Dwayne and Shirley hosted at the lake for the employees and our families.
Yeah,
At the cabin.
Yes, yes. Water skiing and jet skiing and pontoon rides.
Yes, that was fun.
I remember doing statements in the middle of the night when we had printed all the statements one time. It was about 2:30 in the morning. One of the employees came in and scared me. I had jumped so high. I don't think I've jumped that high before in my entire life.
A lot of weekends too, we did statements
Right.
by hand.
We would carry those big, we had 3,000 or 4,000 statements at one time to carry them all to the post office. The post office loved us too.
Yeah. Do you guys remember when Brian came back to the bank? He left Marquette to come back here.
Yeah, it was exciting to have him back. He had new ideas.
Yeah, I had worked at a much bigger bank, so we thought we could profit from that.
So it's a good thing that he came back. And then look what happened.
Thanks so much for joining us. Join us again in 6 weeks to hear from some more of our bankers.